My name is Maarten de Boo. I'm a co-founder and chief revenue officer of WidgetBrain. You can recognize WidgetBrain on the pink color. It's downstairs on the 10th floor. I graduated from the entrepreneurship master of RSM in 2011, something like that. And then I first set up my first company called Sensara. It was a software company in healthcare. It's actually also here on the 10th floor. And after 4 years, I was a small shareholder there. I did it after my studies. I thought like, okay, I like the entrepreneurship trick, but I also learned a lot of lessons. And now I'm gonna try to do it myself. So I exited that one, and I bumped into my current co-founders. They were also in this building here in the Erasmus Center for Entrepreneurship, starting out with WidgetBrain, and basically, we got along. So I joined their endeavor. And that is about 4 years ago. And basically what WidgetBrain does, we do schedule optimization. Schedule optimization means that we go to large companies where you have to schedule a lot of staff, so like plus 1,000 employees, and they need to make sure that the right person is working at the right moment in time. So this is not desk workers, it's mainly non-desk workers. So retail, hospitality, distribution, logistics, these kind of industries. And you think like, oh, what can be difficult about schedule optimization? Well, anybody who ever made a roster knows how difficult that can be. I don't know if any of you has worked in, for example, a bar or restaurant, and maybe you remember the location manager that had to make sure that the right person was working at the right moment. That is a difficult task. And especially if you think about legislation, if you think about all the different rules, if you think about optimization for pay, if you think about optimization for the skill sets people have and the combination of people, it's getting very, very complex. So there's a lot of slack in there. So basically what we do as a company, we offer a service that's basically pulls data from a company, creates optimal rosters, and then sends it back to the infrastructure of a company. That means that we are basically, and I think this is one of the futuristic parts of our company, we don't really have a complete integrated software product. We just host a scheduling API, which means basically companies can request a puzzle at us, we solve it, and we send back the solution. And I think this is the future for a lot of companies because all the software systems are moving to the cloud, all the data is available in the cloud, so it's far easier for a startup to specifically focus on a certain niche and only do that, you know? So there are a lot of scheduling programs out there, but they're not smart. And we're basically only selling the smart part to that. And I think that today it's about goal setting, but I think like one of the things we did in the last 4.5 years is basically finding out like what is the sweet spot, because we did start it out with a certain idea, but obviously with all entrepreneurship it doesn't mean that from day one you have the perfect idea. You need to pivot, you need to search for like what is working, what's not working, and you have to make certain choices, which can be quite painful as well. And so that's like very, very brief introduction of who I am and what I do.